Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 3-hole punch. This will do up to 44 pages. So there is a lock. When it ships, this is closed, and that way this handle stays down. Now you can, this makes for convenient storage. So press this, pull this out, and then it's going to pop up. So when you put your sheets of paper in, this is going to be the guide over here. So here, it'll do 44 pages. I'm not going to do completely 44. This is about 20. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's so easy. Let's just verify the spacing. 1 1/4 in, 5 1/2 to the center, and 9 3/4 over here. And yes, 1 1/4. Let's do the spacing. Almost a 1/2 inch in. And then when you're ready to empty it, yeah, you open this, and then everything, you have to take it over the trash can and shake it out, and then close it. These are just like little rubber bumpers. They're supposed to stay there. And again, if I want to put this in my desk, I can store it. When it's collapsed, it's 3 1/2 inches by 7, left to right. You do have this guide over here. So it's about 11 1/4 inches wide. Again, nice big handle, lots of leverage. Very nice 3-hole punch. We can take a look at all the inner workings there. Doesn't look like this is adjustable. That's a set dimension. There's how you empty it. Hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.